In this video, I will show you step by step how to create an account on Microsoft Teams quickly and easily, even if it is your first time using the platform. First, open the internet browser on your computer or phone and search for Microsoft Teams. Then, access the official Microsoft Teams website. When the website loads, look for the Sign Up option. This option usually appears on the home page or in the login section. Next, you will need to enter a valid email address. You can use an Outlook, Hotmail, Gmail, or any other active email account. After entering your email, click Next and follow the instructions shown on the screen. The system may ask you to create a secure password. Try to use a password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols to increase account security. Then, you may need to confirm your email using a verification code that will be sent to your inbox. Enter the code you received to confirm that the email belongs to you. After confirmation, complete the registration by filling in basic information such as your name and country if requested. When the process is finished, your account will be created and you will be able to log in to Microsoft Teams to start using features like chat, meetings, and video calls. And that's it. Now you know how to create an account on Microsoft Teams. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.